Hey guys, welcome back to Junk Junkies. Today we are doing a review on Headlight Restore. So this is my nephew's vehicle and I noticed that his headlights were really cloudy and I'm like, how safe is it to be traveling with no headlights that are completely clouded over? So we're gonna give this product a try. They sent this over, so we're gonna give it a review, our thoughts, and some before and afters for you guys. Alright, so first up we're gonna do is just give these headlights a little scrub down. Just get the bugs off and whatever else there might be. Alright, back to this. Our next step is to open the first package labeled number 1. Unfold the cleaning wipe and clean the headlight thoroughly using the wipe provided. So, an extra cleaning. So I'm just showing you what my sponge did not pick up. And the next step is to just towel dry. Alright, so next step is step number 2. We went ahead and dried with a paper towel. It's saying that the headlight will look slightly matte after wiping. And it does. It looks kind of matte. There's absolutely no shine to it. So we're on the right track here. Let's see. Open the second number 1 package and we're gonna repeat a second time. So you can see there's a little bit of residue coming off, not a whole lot. So I'm guessing we've got this thoroughly cleaned. All right, as for the next step, it is open package number 2. Do not unfold the wipe and thoroughly wipe both headlights with the wipe provided. The headlights are now as good as new. We'll give that a test. Here we go. Alright, so we've got that final coat on the headlights. So now we are just going to wait for 30 minutes and let it cure. And it just says, do not touch, avoid getting them wet. If we wanted to turn the headlights on, it would speed up the process. But in the meantime, we're just gonna hang out and watch it do its work. We have waited the suggested 30 minutes on this headlight. As you can tell, it's a little bit more shiny and a bit clearer. Not as clear as the box suggests. No, it's not looking like a brand new headlight at all, but hopefully it'll help my nephew see the roads a little bit better at night. So that was our end goal with this product review. Thank you so much for watching us here at Junk Junkies. We truly appreciate your views. As a reminder, just to hit that subscribe and like button and hit the bell as well for all of our new videos due to come. Thanks again and enjoy your weekend.